everyone. We are going to tell a story. One day, two little girls, Emma and Catherine, were walking down the street. Emma saw a bag full of gold coins. She instantly went towards the bag and picked it up.
Oh, Catherine, good. You found a bag full of gold coins. Emma said, I was the one who found it. You are looking at the bird. All these gold coins are mine.
Catherine was just beginning to sell when a genie appeared in front of them. He said, the person who owns this bag will be good. Emma was taken back. Oh, look what we got into, she whined.
At this, Catherine said, you found the bag and it's yours. So, only you are the one in trouble. Catherine walked away.
The moral of the story is, as you sow, so shall you reap. Thank you. Have a nice day.